Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, May 19th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Scholars, it is amazing to see as you move into the next year's program for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, what an amazing job you're doing. 4th grade, I saw you rocking and getting ready your math facts so that you can practice and be set up for success for 5th grade. 3rd grade, keep reading. What an amazing job you're doing in making sure that you get your summer reading book started and you're working on your packets. Scholars, you are doing an amazing job. Things have been different this year, but can't wait to be able to see you back again next year. Hopefully all of us are in person. So I am excited to have another wonderful day. We'll see you in the classroom. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot! Bye, Miss Cavasso's class. Bye, Miss C. Ramos's class. Have a great day.